Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the Countblank function. So the Countblank, it probably explains exactly what it does. It will count how many blank or empty values you have. So let me show you exactly how to use it. So let's start to put in here some numbers. And then we have here a blank 1, 3, 4. Here another blank one, and then we have D, and then we have a 1. That is not really blank, it is a space item. Then we have another blank, and then we have 6, or what is it, 5, 6. Alright, so let's see how many blanks it would take. Basically we have only 3 blanks, 1 space, but who knows, maybe we'll get it as well. Let's check it out. So we type in the account blank, open, and let's select here our range. So you have here our formula builder, and it suggests you give us the range. Once we did that, we click here done, it will instantly see that this, and this are blank, and this one contains a value of a space. If you remove this, then you can see it would jump to 4 blanks. And if you remove all of these, let's see, it jumps to 8. So this is really how you can use the count blank to check if you have any blank values in a certain input. It's useful for that. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, check out the link below. In there we have a wonderful Excel course about Excel, and it goes deeper in multiple topics of Excel.